Hey everybody. Today I wanted to talk about fit and why fit is so important when choosing to work with an attorney. So a lot of times when it's time to get an attorney, I think people are in crisis mode. They've been in an auto accident, they've got, divorce, criminal matter, something really drastic has happened in their life where they need to get an attorney. And sometimes they need to get an attorney right away. But one thing that we talk about with every potential client that we meet is fit. Are we the right fit for that particular client or potential client? And then are they the right fit for us as well? For us, fit is a two-way street. And so we have this conversation in that initial meeting because sometimes we'll get people that'll come in and be like, let's go, we want to hire right now. But the question is we got to get to know the person a little bit. And then I want them to get to know us as well. And so some things that people can do to actually find out if if the attorney's office is the right fit is to talk to friends that have used that office before, to look them up on Facebook and check out their social media sites and see what those look like. Also to check in other local groups. So like here in Colorado Springs, like any of the 719 groups that might be out there, and ask around about that particular attorney or that office and things like that. Additionally, too, to check out the business's Google reviews and find out what people are saying. And then also, too, to see how the office is responding to those Google reviews, too. And then one big thing, too, is during the actual meeting itself for fit, is I'm always a believer in kind of that gut check feel. When you're talking to somebody, are they real with you? Is your gut kind of giving you just a feel like, yeah, this person is somebody that's being, straight up with me, or this person is somebody who's just blowing smoke a little bit. So I think just because you happen to be in an attorney's office, and if you're just getting that gut check feel and it's just not feeling right, I'd recommend actually going to talk to at least two other attorneys or two other law offices. Make sure then that you find somebody that's got the right fit for you. And one of the things, too, I talk about is find the right kind of attorney that you want for your case. Do you want somebody that's going to be super aggressive and mean to the other side? Find out if that attorney's like that. Do you want somebody that's going to try to settle your case? Do you want somebody that's going to be very, very passive and basically let you be in charge fully? So find out where that line or that balance is in regards to fit with your attorney. Don't just take that first person because they happen to be a lawyer and they happen to be the first law office that you walked into, or somebody that you saw on TV, or somebody that your friend had used. So maybe sometimes just because your friend used an attorney, it may not be the right fit for you. And so just make sure that you find the right fit. One of our big recommendations always is that you go and check out maybe 2 to 3 attorneys in total, and then make the decision. The decision to hire an attorney should not be taken lightly, and so at that point, you'll want to look around. But then for us too, we don't just take everybody that walks in through the door. We want to make sure too that we're the right fit for them, and vice versa, that they as the client are the right fit for us too, because we want to have a working relationship with people that we ultimately can get to know, like, and trust. And so that's the chat for today, is find the right fit with your attorney as you're going about finding an attorney. And it can be very, very helpful to you. Hope everybody has a great day. Bye now.